In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert and delete rows and columns in Microsoft Excel. Keeping your worksheet organized often comes down to placing information exactly where it belongs. Sometimes that means adding space for new data, and other times it means removing what you no longer need. Let's walk through both actions clearly so you can work faster and keep everything tidy. To insert a new row or column, start by selecting any cell. This selection tells Excel where to act. Now go to the Home tab on the ribbon and click Insert. From the menu that appears, choose Insert Sheet Row if you want to add a row, or Insert Sheet Column if you need a column. Excel uses the position of your selected cell to decide where the new space goes. A new row will appear directly above the row containing your selected cell, and a new column will appear to the left of the column you selected. After the insert, Excel shifts the existing data down for rows or to the right for columns, keeping your information aligned. When you insert, you may notice the new row or column picks up formatting from nearby cells, such as fonts, borders, or fill colors. That's normal and can save time if you're working with a consistent layout. If the formatting doesn't match what you need, you can adjust it right away using the options on the Home tab. To delete a row or column, first select a cell within the row or column you want to remove. This helps Excel identify exactly what to delete. Next, go back to the Home tab, click Delete, and choose whether to delete the selected row or the selected column. Excel will remove it and shift remaining data up for rows or to the left for columns, keeping the worksheet compact and organized. Before confirming a deletion, take a moment to make sure that row or column doesn't contain data you need later. If you do remove something by mistake, you can use Undo to quickly revert the change. It's also a good idea to save your workbook periodically so your progress is safe as you make structural edits. With just a few clicks, you can insert space exactly where you need it or clean up by removing what you don't. These small adjustments go a long way toward making your worksheets easier to read, update, and share. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.